Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at a brand new platform called Repurpose AI. We're going to explore its core premise, how you can maximize the value of your content without just, multiplying your workload. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever poured your absolute heart and soul into a long video, a podcast, maybe a massive newsletter, hit publish, and then just immediately felt that heavy wave of exhaustion wash over you? Because you know the job isn't actually done yet. Now you've got to go write a LinkedIn post about it, and a Twitter thread, and an Instagram caption. Oh, and maybe a script for a short. You end up suffering from massive burnout because you're constantly adapting and rewriting the exact same idea for every single platform. It's exhausting. So on one side, we have the old way. Hours of manual rewriting, tweaking formatting, battling character limits. It literally drains your creative energy. But on the other side, we have this elegant new solution, 30 seconds of AI automation. This is exactly where an AI content repurposing tool like Repurpose AI bridges the gap. It takes all that manual heavy lifting completely out of the equation. Section 1, the content creation trap. Who exactly is feeling this burnout? Let's do a quick checklist here. Is this for you? Well, if you're a content creator, a solopreneur, a coach, maybe a consultant, or if you're part of a marketing agency, a startup founder, building a personal brand, or a social media manager, yeah, you are right in the crosshairs of this problem. You already create incredible long-form content, but you're totally trapped by the manual effort it takes to distribute it everywhere.
So, the crucial point is, how do we escape this trap? Meet your new AI assistant. It's fast, it's simple, and it's highly intelligent.
I want you to focus on this number for a second. 10. This represents the multiplier effect. Imagine taking just one single piece of your long-form content, and boom, it instantly transforms into 10 high-performing native social media posts.
And that brings us to the formal definition. Repurpose AI is an intelligent content assistant that transforms one piece of long-form content into multiple ready-to-publish social media posts in seconds. It essentially operates as your ultimate AI writing assistant and social media content generator, all wrapped up into one incredibly clean interface.
This quote right here, this is their core value proposition. One piece of content, 10 posts, 30 seconds. Think about it. Why manually create content for every platform when you can just repurpose content with AI? It's pure content automation, designed specifically to handle that distribution grind so you can get back to what you actually love doing, creating.
Moving on to Section 2, 3 steps to scale. We are talking zero editorial effort here. The platform relies on a ridiculously straightforward 3-step workflow. Step 1, you paste your source content. This could be a YouTube script, a blog post, even rough podcast notes. Step 2, customize the output. You just pick your target platform and whatever tone you're going for. And step 3, publish or schedule. That's literally it. It's a completely seamless transition from a raw idea to a fully distributed campaign. And what exactly is happening in those 30 seconds? Well, the app acts as your personal LinkedIn post generator and tweet generator all at once. From your one single input, it delivers 5 viral hooks designed to stop the scroll, 3 native social posts structured perfectly for feeds like LinkedIn or X, and 2 complete 60-second short video scripts perfectly tailored for TikTok or Reels. You're getting a full content suite, instantly. Section 3, real examples and uses, going from one idea to multiple angles. And this brilliantly illustrates the practical application. Look at how perfectly these long-form inputs map to short-form assets. You can take a 15-minute YouTube video and turn it into a whole week's worth of professional LinkedIn posts. You can grab a 45-minute podcast episode and spit it into engaging X tweets. A deep dive blog article, that becomes snappy Instagram captions. And a long webinar is instantly sliced into short social media snippets. It's one idea yielding multiple, perfectly tailored content angles. Now you might be wondering, is this just going to sound like a generic robot? Not at all. Check out this output example generated from a user's productivity blog. My 47-item to-do list versus my actual capacity to do 3 things a day, a Hollywood-grade duel. Spoiler, the to-do always wins. Which, let's be honest, is painfully accurate. But more importantly, it proves you can actually set the AI to match your specific voice. Whether you need sharp, professional data analysis, a casual, chatty vibe, or, this kind of relatable humor, it's got you covered.
Now, what's really fascinating here is the global reach. This content marketing tool doesn't just adapt formats, it translates. With literally one click, you can generate your posts natively in English, French, Spanish, or Arabic. You are expanding your audience to a global level with zero extra effort. That is a real game changer.
Section 4. Maximize reach, minimize effort. Let's focus on the outcomes.
Ultimately, it's all about the outcomes. When you use creator tools like this, the main benefits aren't just technical features. They're deeply personal. You save hours every single week. You are finally able to post consistently because the friction is just gone. You get maximum value from the long-form content you already worked so incredibly hard on, and most importantly, you drastically reduce your own creation stress. Basically, you get your sanity back.
This statement perfectly captures their brand positioning. Repurpose AI is the intelligent content automation platform for modern creators. It summarizes the whole shebang: smart, automated, and built for people who just want their work to be seen.
Let's move to and see how this builds in Section 5. Stop rewriting, start repurposing. Start for free and scale when you're ready. They've made this incredibly easy to get your hands on. There is a zero-friction free tier, $0 a month for 10 repurposings, so you can test it out yourself. And nope, no credit card required. Once you're posting weekly, the creator tier at $29 handles 50 repurposings. And if you're managing multiple brands, well, the agency tier at $79 gives you unlimited usage and a custom brand voice feature. The call to action here is absolutely clear. Try Repurpose AI for free today. Look, if you take anything away from this explainer, it should be this: stop rewriting. Let the AI do the tedious formatting work and turn your one piece of brilliant content into 10 ready-to-post assets instantly.
I want to leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to finally get maximum value out of every single piece of content you create? Your ideas deserve to be seen everywhere, and now you finally have the tool to make that happen without burning yourself out. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I highly encourage you to go give this a try.